Alright, this is our coil gun. I'm going to give you an overview and a shot. So here's our battery. Here's the computer you're using, there's CVI interface we'll look at later. Here's the cap of the third stage. This is the main controlling board that links to the computer that controls the delays on all three stages. So you have power and the PIC and the optical sensor, ribbon cable there, the serial interface, and the voltage measuring
apparatus
pieces. Yeah, and then we got the discharge board of the second stage over here, and we got the charging board of the second stage over here, and they're located kind of like that. And there's the cap they're charging for the second stage, and same thing over here. We got the discharge board, the charging board, and the cap. And then I guess up here we got an oscilloscope, and here what we're doing is measuring our optical sensor to determine speed. So you can kind of see the shape of the projectile here as it crosses the sensor. By measuring the time it takes to cross the sensor and knowing the length of the projectile, we can determine how fast it's going. I guess the three coils are back here, 1, 2, and 3, and it's going to shoot down there at that box, the smiley face on it. And so we're just doing 3 stages right now, and we're going to try to achieve 20 meters per second here. Here's the projectile. So that's the front end of it, that's the back end of it. It doesn't have the payload on it right now, but it can be easily attached to the back end. And it's got basically two nylon washers with a 75 gram iron slug. That's what it's shooting at. Stainless steel hardware, and a piece of aluminum there. So Alex is going to show you, actually I'm going to show you the box first, and then Alex is going to show you the software. So our box we're shooting at is full of newspaper, wadding to slow it down, 2 pieces of thick corrugated cardboard, and 2 pieces of drywall. And haven't any problems yet. It's an excellent way of slowing it down. There's our little happy face, shooting the X there, and catch the projectile actually quite nicely. So Alex is going to show you the software here, and I'm going to load the projectile, but go ahead.
So first we'll set up the parameters. Here we have the stages. We will enable stage 1, starting right away with a 6.6 millisecond on pulse. Stage 2 starting 11.7 milliseconds after stage 1 with 6.5 millisecond pulse. And stage 3 starting 6 milliseconds after stage 2 with 6.5 millisecond pulse. The whole launching process will be open loop, and the projectile length is 5.6 centimeters. We submit the parameters to the microcontroller, and we are ready to charge. And here the charging process begins. The system will stop automatically when the target voltages are reached. And here we go, we are ready to launch. First we enable the launching sequence, and now we enable the launching from the software, and we're officially ready to launch.
As soon as we hit that button, it should launch. And just load the projectile here, which I'll show you. At the back, let's go around here. Projectile's in the tube, sitting flush with the end of the tube. Anyway, and we're gonna show you a shot now, and see how we do.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Pretty good. Let's see what we got. So here's the result on the screen here. So we're just going to adjust the position a little bit. So it's a delay of 2.72 milliseconds. I'm going to come over here and on our calculator. We got the length of the projectile and our delay, which was 7.2. Enter. So we had a speed of 20.588 meters per second. We'll mark that down here. 20.58 8 meters per second. And we're going to check our program. What's it's telling us? And it told us 20.78 right there. So a nice little speedometer. So that's the entire system.
And now
and now we got to find the projectile. So it's stopped in the paper layer and hasn't touched the cardboard. So there's our projectile. Perfect. Alright. Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Oh yeah.
Didn't we drill it?
Yep, I think it went into the box too. Look at that, punched a perfect hole through it. There you go.
That's how I'm going to punch holes from now
There's
on.
the result. Perfect hole. I think it's in the box.
3, 2, 1.
That's just fun. Okay, recording.
3, 2,
Bullseye.
1.
Bullseye.
20.9. 3, 2, 1.
That's gonna be good.
That's pretty well actually. For its weight.
Right there.